Hey guys, Sam here from Sellshop and welcome back to the channel. So, if you're still grinding on Shopify Dropshipping in 2026 and you're still chasing the old niches such as the phone covers or generic fitness items, well then guys, sorry to break it out to you, you're leaving serious money on the table. Guys, right now, January 2026, there are 5 under-the-radar niches that are making 10k, 20k, and even 50k for the smart sellers who got in early. So, make sure you watch this video until the very end because I'll show you guys how you can use Seller Trend to uncover these amazing niches and make money for yourself as well. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to selltrend.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it out and create your account. Now, once you do that, once you sign up, this is how the dashboard of Seller Trend is going to look like. Now, on the left side of the screen, you can see a variety of tools that can help us find amazing products such as the handpicked winners. Every product that is on here is actually sourced by an e-commerce expert. So if you're new to product hunting or if you don't have enough time to hunt your own products, well, then this is the perfect feature for you. But now, for this video, we'll be using the SpyTools. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now guys, there are 2 things basically in this SpyTool. The number 1 is the store intelligence and the number 2 is the niche spy. So for example, if you want to spy on a store, you have a competitor store in your mind and you want to spy on that, then you can literally copy that store's link and you can paste it here. For example, we've got one link here for this store and we're actually going to copy this store up. I'm going to show you guys the store. Right, here we are. So let the store road. It's actually not available, so let's try another one. I think let's copy this guy and paste it here, and here we have it guys. So this is a store. Now let's say that this is our competitor store. Now the first thing you want to do is again copy the link, the URL, paste it here and click on search. Now once you do that, the AI is actually going to go out and collect some data on store intelligence. You have to give it a couple of seconds, and now here you have it guys. So it has a good monthly traffic, 33,000. The average product price is $22. Monthly orders, we've got the revenue as well, and even we've got a chart as well that can help us understand the data more easily. And look at this guys, in 2025 11th 1st they were making 110,000 off the store, and now the revenue has dropped, of course, probably because the Q4 has actually died out. And then we've got the monthly orders and we got the marketing channels. But guys, I'm going to show you something really cool. Look at this guys. So we've got the best selling products. This is the best tool to use to actually find what's really working for your competitors. Look at this, and we even got the latest products as well. So these are all the products that have been added to a store recently. Now, what if I say that, okay, this is a good product and it's selling for my competitor and I want to add it to my store? Well, do I have to do it manually or what is the way out? And guys, don't worry about it because this is 2026. This is AI dropshipping and this is all about using Seller Trend for complete automation. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to actually import products from Seller Trend to your store. Look at this guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on add to store, right? Now, once you do that, it's going to fetch all the information such as the content, images, pricing, fulfillment source. Each and everything is going to be given to you. All you need to do is just pick up your store. We've got Shopify stores as well. We've got eBay, we've got TikTok shop, and we got the sellshop store. So if you don't have your own store yet, you don't know how to even create it, don't worry about it because with the help of sellshop, you can create your store with help of AI in just a few clicks. Guys, it's very nice and simple. I'll leave a link in the description, so go and check it out. So let's say I've got this store, this sellshop store, and I'm going to click on push to store. I'm going to click on. So once I click on push to store, it's going to be pushed to my store within a few clicks. That's how nice and easy it is. And if I click on view store, to check out my product, the product page load, and here we have it guys. The product has been moved to my store in just a few clicks. It was literally just a couple of seconds. That's how easy it is. So guys, this is the number 1 thing, right? So we've got an amazing store intelligence tool that can help us find what's really working for our competitors. But let's say we want to spy on the niche, what's really happening in the beauty niche. For example, we've got a store in beauty niche and I want to take a look at what's really happening with the top competitors that I don't know about. Well then guys, for that reason we have the niche spy. Let me show you how this is done. Okay, so here we are on the niche spy. Now on the screen you can see these are the top 10 niches that are performing really good. We've got beauty, of course, fitness, kitchen, natural health, and of course the weight loss. Now what I'm gonna do next is I want to click on the beauty, and once I do that, it's going to open up the beauty section. So there will be all sort of beauty stores. If I scroll down, look at this. Now I can literally just scroll down and find the stores that I like, or here's what I like to do is I have to play around with the filters because they can actually help me do my research a bit better. better. Now I'm going to click on more filters, and here we have the monthly revenue. So the minimum is actually going to be 10,000, right? At least that's what I like to put it at. So let me just put it at 10,000. So the store needs to make at least 10,000 a month. All stores type, that's cool enough. Or I can literally click on dropshipping stores as well, kind of narrow down my research. And yeah, that's literally it. I'm going to click on apply filters. Now once I do that, it's going to show me all the stores that have the minimum revenue of $10,000, and they're all dropshipping stores, and of course they belong to the beauty niche, right? So look at this, guys. We've got one store that's opened up. Okay, so this guy. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to take a look at days of ended. Okay, we've got a couple of stores. Now here's how you can actually spy on these stores. So I'm actually taking a look at to find a good store. But guys, anyways, you can start with your research by clicking on the store intelligence, and it's going to show you the data of that particular store. So let's wait for it to open up. And here we have it, guys. We've got a store that is making around $165,000 in the revenue, decent amount of monthly traffic as well. And if you look at that graph, you literally get to see that it's actually going up and up and up. So they're definitely doing something that's working for them. And then we've got their best-selling products, we've got the latest products, we've got store apps. Each and everything is mentioned here. Now my recommendation is just make sure you do enough research, just make sure you find the best stores. And guys, there are so many stores. All you have to do is just take a look at the top 20 stores, and you'll get an idea of what kind of products are really selling. And then of course you can move those products to your store within a few clicks using Sell the Trend. And guys, you can repeat this process for all of these niches. For example, if you click on the fitness one, let's go ahead and do that. You click on the fitness one, and then you want to click on the more filters. You can also play around with the filters as well. Let's say you don't want to have any revenue and you want to take a look at all the stores to find different kind of products. You can click on apply filters. So there are no filters right now, just the fitness niche. All right, guys, so I've clicked on the fitness one. Take a look. We see we have so many stores that have popped up, and if I keep scrolling down, I want to show you guys something. So if I keep scrolling down, it's going to show me more and more stores, right? And it's just ever going, because there are literally thousands, if not millions of stores, and every bit of data is saved on Sell the Trend. So all you have to do is just have that motivation to go out and actually do the research, because this is, guys, this is not the beginner way to do dropshipping. This is kind of really getting into the market, doing market analysis and research. And guys, these ways can actually help you double your profit margins. I'm not even kidding. If you have an idea what's really happening in the market, if you know what your competitor is selling, there's a good chance of you being successful as well. So make sure you pay enough attention. Now you can literally see that I've scrolled so much down and I've gotten so many stores. And guys, imagine the data on all of these stores. So for example, this is very simple. The first thing is you're gonna see the top products have been added recently, and then on above of that you will see the store intelligence. So if you click on store intelligence, this is the store, by the way, renvot.com. So if you click on store intelligence, it's going to show you the relevant information about that store. So you can literally see that, okay, this store is only made $1,800, so it's not that big of a store. Then you can literally just cross it and then find another good store, and then same way you find the good winning products as well. So let's go ahead and find something cool. All right, so we've got a lot of fitness rated items, different items as well, fitness rated clothing. Again, guys, click on store intelligence. It's going to give you the products that are actually selling in the particular niche. And guys, this method can really help you become the champion of your own niche. So again, this store hasn't really made a lot of money, but you guys get the idea is how easy it is to actually find the stores and then their products, and then simply click on store intelligence and run intelligence of each and every one of the store. And if you're working in the beauty niche, do it for the beauty. If you're working in the fitness niche, do it in the fitness. And if you have been working with one of the niches and you want to try a new niche out, then of course kitchen is there as well. We've got health, nature, we've got weight loss, so many different niches. And guys, the best part is if you are only working in one niche, with the help of these niche explorer, you can start working on another niche as well. Why not make extra money? How easy it actually has become in 2026 with the powerful AI and of course the data backing it up. And now guys, here we are at the kitchen niche, and you can literally see, okay, it's up to you if you want to apply filters. Normally I like to do it, and let's call it at 5,000 minimum revenue. I think that's a good way to start. So let's add 5,000 there, and then simply click on apply filters. Now once you do that, again, it's going to show you all the stores that are in the kitchen niche that are making at least $5,000. And yeah, those are all the filters that we have applied. So we've got the first store, and this is actually the store. And if you want to take a look at the data, what's really happening with the store, simply click on store intelligence. And this is, by the way, the store URL as well, in case you want to open the store up. There we have it, guys. There we have the data. We have the best-selling products, we have the latest products, we have the graphs, we have the monthly orders, we have the marketing chain incentives as well. So everything is just given to you to make the best informed decision. And guys, if you want to add any of these latest products or the best-selling products to your store, well, then I've shown you how to do that exactly. Just click on add the store, and the product is going to be moved to your store within a few clicks. Now I'm going to scroll down and find something cool. I'm going to find a cool looking store. Okay, So we got this store. Let's click on store intelligence. He's selling different kitchen items. So if you're working in the kitchen niche, you would know. And look at this, guys. This guy's making $100,000 a month. That is a lot of money. Decent amount of orders as well. And now if I just scroll down, these are all his best winning products. So we can literally just use these products just to add this product to our store and start selling his winners today. That's how easy it is to actually find winners. So guys, make sure you use these SpyTools in 2026. They are made for the smart sellers. Make sure to put your time in research, and once you do that, guys, once you do the market analysis, once you do the research, once you know what's really happening in your niche, you would know all the winners that your competitor are selling. And imagine the power that you would have, all because of the power of AI and the data that is given to you by Sell the Trend. All right, guys, that is it for our video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking about our video, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Now, if you want to start your dropshipping store in 2026 all from scratch, then you can watch our next video right over here. Well then, guys, stay motivated, keep making those sets. I'll see you in the next one.